A very good day to you in studio. We're coming to you live from the East London Correctional Center, where testing and screening for the COVID-19 virus is underway. This after a woman believed to be in her 30s is tested positive for the virus. Well, the National Health Laboratory Services have also been roped in to come and facilitate this testing, and the private lab has also been facilitated to come and do these testings. But to tell us more from the side of the unions, I'm now joined by the provincial secretary of POPCRU here in the province, Zamikaya Skade. Sir, thanks a lot for your time. How has the screening been going as a union? How do you see the screening of your workers going?
No, the screening is taking place inside and members are being tested. We're not happy at first about the number of officials that are being used to test others, but there's been increase of the staff that is doing the testing. They are being tested, all of them in that center that is affected, and that is also going to include other centers. There's also another team that is going to be going to the residences of other officials that are staying inside for testing where they are staying in their homes.
In terms of resources, protective gear, are your workers adequately equipped?
There is provision. There is provision. That is what we have been advocating, that our members should not expose themselves to danger. There is a provision of protective equipment.
In terms of them coming here and testing, are your people, how is the mood there inside? How are they coping with this testing?
Obviously, testing goes with its own anxieties, but people are cooperating. They are being tested, all of them. They are getting into the testing station, and they will be testing also done to other centers.
Okay. As for this work, what can you tell her? What's the latest regarding her health right now?
There are no results as we speak. The process has just been started this morning, and it's continuing.
Well, that's Zamikaya Skade from POPCRU here in the province, briefly outlining to us what is happening inside there. Well, information is still a bit sketchy. We could say that some is being withheld until further notice. But from us here, myself, Abongile Jantjies, and my colleague, Abongile Jantjies, it's back to you in studio.
All right, Abongile Jantjies, a little bit earlier.